How to remove watch history from YouTube. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application YouTube. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Simply move into You at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on History right over here. You will be able to see all of the history that you have made on YouTube by watching it. If you want to remove it, then simply click on this three-dot icon and tap on Remove from Watch History. Or else you can also tap and hold the video and then click on the same option. There you can see that the watch history has been removed. Likewise, select manually and delete all of them, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.